Olubega egwu ikorobịa, olubega egwu ikorobịa. USA na-egbu ajọ mma, olubega egwu ikorobịa. USA na-apịa ajọ igwe, olubega egwu ikorobịa. USA na-egbu ajọ mma, olubega egwu ikorobịa. USA na-apịa ajọ igwe, olubega egwu ikorobịa. Operation Massacre agha, Operation Bulldozer agha. Gbuo ya mma, gbaa ya egbe agha. Gbaa ya egbe, gbuo ya mma agha. Chukwu come to me in all countries worldwide, in USA, to destroy and turn upside down Obu Eziokwu, OBU, then Eziokwu, EZIOKW, like Obu Eziokwu means house of truth, but they are doing different stuff there. They are dwelling in emptiness like a traditional house, Obu Eziokwu, in Ogwugwu village, Enugwu-Agidi, in Anambra state. They continue to deceive the innocent, block the innocent, and tell them to fight the Western world, giving prophecies that time shall come when most of the countries will be destroyed. Half of the United States will be destroyed by water, and the whole the world's spiritual power belongs to them. Continue to deceive the innocent. Sometimes they say, this man challenged us, argued with us, he left and died. She challenged us and left and died. To destroy all the Obu Eziokwu Enugwu-Agidi, like the traditional house, doing different things, full of emptiness and evil, and all of them, to wipe them out. I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitter colors, male dog, male dogs, obagu, baby powder, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins, destroy and turn all of them upside down. And to block them, I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitter colors, uncountable rabbits. Chukwu and Ndi Hotel walls, all colors blocking. Build physical and spiritual giant walls. Block all of them. I block them in the north, in the south, in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And I say, rise no more, rise no more, rise no more. All their negativities against the world, I turn them against them and destroy them. Peter, Odera, Nkwak, Sanko FN, Chiefpriest, Chiefpriest USA, Chiefpriest the world, working for USA. USA, forward.